Good morning. It's Friday, so wait, that light's too bright. Just going to close the curtain quickly. There we go. It's Friday, and it's 5:30 in the morning. I just went for my walk. I'll insert a clip of that maybe now or later. The sun is trying to come out. It is so beautiful. And the sea is so loud. So do you see where that palm tree is? It's about maybe 20 meters after that palm tree is the beach. These flowers are called red-heart pokers. And they flower this time of the year. And usually, there they are, look. There's like a whole field of them. From there all the way up to these ones here. It's usually like just everywhere. You can actually see all these stalks are from previous years. And I think the sun is finally coming over the mountain. Or over the sea rather. I love sunrise. It's so beautiful. Do you see these tracks? Those are from bushbuck. They're smallish antelope. There it went, over there. And they live in this little forest over here in the daytime. But they also live, the river is just behind those bushes, a little bit on. So I know they also like living next to the river. But I always get excited when I see their little tracks. Because this area is being developed so fast. And I'm worried for them because they might get eaten. And it was such a beautiful day. Oh my goodness, the sun is up properly now. I think it's going to be a scorcher again. Yesterday was quite hot until the wind came up. And then I had to grab a jersey. It's the story of our lives this time of the year. But anyway, I am here with a cup of coffee. So we've been having load shedding like crazy. And yesterday, power went off from 7 until, I think it was 11. And then it went off again at 3 o'clock until 7:30 last night. Then at 11 o'clock until 1:30. And now it went off at 5 o'clock until 7:30. And then it's going to have another round later today. So it's been quite a mission to try and get stuff done. There's a dress I have to do for a wedding, which is in less than 8 days. And there's a little clip of it, I think on day 7 of my vlogmas. That's how I'm going to put after today's little Friday Zones video. So you can see what I'm working on there. It's actually quite a nice dress, but I just need time to sew it. It's cut out, it's ready to go. But whenever I am home, there's no power. So it's been quite a mission. I'm still working on my process of getting off-the-grid power. It's just the legal implications. I'm not sure about that yet because our government have a monopoly on power, and even if you go off the grid, they're still trying to make it that you have to pay them. So I don't want to put out hundreds of thousands of rands and then still have to pay out thousands of rands a month for electricity. Then it's maybe better to just get a generator. I don't know. I'm still doing my research. So yes, that's that one. Otherwise, I have been knitting a little bit, and I can't really tell you what else I've been doing. It's just been busy. I'm back at work. Okay, that's also busy. Yes, and I have nothing to show today. So what I'm going to do is I am going to say goodbye now. Just wanted to pop in this morning and say hello to everybody. And then I'm going to put my vlogmas day 4 until today. So what I've been doing is every morning I put up a few decorations, not a lot, like 1 or 2 pieces. And then I'm just going to fill up the place until Christmas and make it part of my routine. And that way, because last year I tried to do it in on a specific day and it was almost, I just didn't get it right. So I literally decorated on the 24th, just before my guest arrived. And that wasn't fun. So every morning I take a bit of time to just remember what Christmas is really about and putting up one or two things and just enjoying the slow process. Thank you so much for joining me. If you liked it, please put a thumbs up, and otherwise, can I ask you to share it with someone that you know that will like this as well? I would really appreciate it. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. So last night's thunderstorm did not produce any rain. There might have been a few drops, but if you look at my vegetable garden, please don't judge me, it's very sad. But if you look at my vegetable garden, the poor things are actually really wilted. So I'm hoping that maybe tonight we will have some rain. You can see this wind is just going ballistic. And it's quite chilly. I'm actually wearing a jacket and my hoodie at the moment. So yes, I am cold and I'm wearing my hoodie over my nice summer outfit because it was quite warm this morning. Put my car in the garage because I think there's a storm coming. I hope so. Okay, so I got out of the wind. Yes, that wind's cold. And I'm now in the car. I'm going to put it in the garage. And I've got friends coming for supper. And earlier I made a stew. And earlier I thought about it. It was so hot. And I thought, oh, I don't know if the stew is going to be okay. But if I look at this weather, stew is perfect. I grew up inland in South Africa, and I only moved to the coast about 15 years ago. And where I grew up, this time of the year would be so hot, and you would be outside and you would do a lot of barbecues and everything like that. And that's something that I'm still trying to get used to here at the coast. It's usually quite not cold but chilly up until about January. And I remember one December, on the 16th, there was a market here on our village green, and it was freezing. It was nice and warm that morning, and it just got overcast, and the wind came up, and I actually had hypothermia by the time I went home. And so I've really been embracing Decembers here at the coast, and I love sitting at night and just listening to everything and knitting. I don't have a TV in my house. I chose not to have one a long time ago. Firstly, there's not a lot of stuff on there that I really want to see. I've got Netflix on my phone if I want to watch a movie, which maybe happens once or twice a month. But for the rest, I like YouTube, or I just like my own company. And I like to embrace these evenings of quietness and stillness. Seamstress diaries. When you're cutting out and your scissors don't want to cut and you realize you've just cut halfway through your tape measure. 8 December. And it's time for some Christmas decor. I also love this little angel. I think it's that salt clay that somebody made it from. Good morning, it's vlogmas day 9 and I'm going for a quick walk this morning. But look, I've doctored all the holes And I've just made a new one. Oh, they drive me insane. 10 to 5 in the morning. And this little kitten is not ready to get up yet. Day 9 of decorating. Okay, I'm going to take you for a little bit. A little garden tour. Oh, it's such a beautiful morning. This is one of my favorite things. Let's see if it works.